Greece is one of the most beautiful places in the world with lots of wonderful sights. One such site can be found in Oia, a small town in Santorini, Greece, the Blue Dome Church. The huge volcanic explosion destroyed the town and probably caused the decline of the whole Minoan civilization. It is also commonly believed that Santorini is in fact Atlantis. The history of Santorini after this is similar to the rest of Greece being occupied by Dorian Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, Franks, Phoenicians and Turks until the independence of Greece. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, the town was a mariner's town that flourished as a result of seaborne trade throughout the Mediterranean, particularly as part of the trade route between Russia and Alexandria. In 1890 Oia had approximately 2,500 residents and approximately 130 sailing ships. There was a wharf in the Bay of Armeni. Excellent wine was produced in quantity in the hinterland and exported to France amongst other places. However, the arrival of steam and the concentration of shipping at Piraeus caused the town's seagoing trade to collapse, and agriculture also diminished as increasing emigration took place, especially to Piraeus and Laurium. It is built on the steep slope of the caldera and the houses and restaurants are built in two niches carved into the caldera on the seaward side. There are narrow passageways and a central square. The sunlight hours in this village are much longer than in the Fira town. Its paths are very narrow and hence get congested during the tourist season. The idyllic surroundings of the town have a complex of whitewashed blue-domed churches in charming, traditional Cycladic houses and cave houses that are carved into the rock face on top of their cliff. It is set in a location which provides excellent views of the sunset over the caldera. Relatively a few of the beautiful churches in Santorini are used as wedding locations for the many weddings conducted on this romantic isle. As with other Greek islands and mainland Greece, the church plays a significant role in their lives of the Greek people. The iconic Santorini symbol of the Oia view and the blue-domed churches are perhaps the most photographed of all the Santorini churches. The largest church of Santorini is the Orthodox Cathedral located at the center of Fira. It was founded in 19th century and its interior is adorned with striking frescoes. In close distance is the Catholic cathedral dedicated to St. John the Baptist. During the Byzantine times was built the famous church of Panagia Episcopi that has survived many invasions and is well preserved up to this day. The Blue Dome Church in Oia is one of Santorini's most famous. Oia looks as if it were stuck in time. There are many typical white houses, and narrow, winding streets. I wish I could travel the entire world just to see all the beauty sights. Santorini is actually a group of islands in a kind of circle. Up until about 1500 BC the area was one island, but after a huge volcanic explosion the island took its present form. Hence the islands form a circle around the crater.